gosh, a package that I already didn't pick up and I had no idea that was coming. What is this? Oh my goodness. What is, oh, okay, she does not care. So, this is really exciting because these are powder coat samples from Prismatic Powders. Yeah, probably getting a new lift next year, not this year. Yeah, tired of the one I have on it. So let's check these out. Okay, opening it. Wow, that was not satisfying.
That was the powder coat you ordered like yesterday?
Yes.
That's just that.
I may have paid for express shipping.
Alright.
$7.
See, when I pay for express shipping, stuff doesn't come.
Your swatches haven't arrived. Yeah, they have a bunch of colors, but I'm still going for the breast cancer look. So, we're gonna look at all of these. Okay. Okay, so I am gonna go outside, so no, you're not coming with. So I can show you guys what it looks like in good lighting versus, that's for TikTok, versus my kitchen. If you're doing powder coating, order samples. Always, 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 because you never know if it'll look different. So this is what I originally thought I wanted my lift to be. This is, see if I can get it to focus. So this is Frosty Pink. It looked lighter online, so I'm glad I ordered a sample. That's it with the glare in the sun. This one is called Sparkling Pink. I can't get the, there we go. So that's what that looks like in the sun, if it will focus. Kind of looks similar to Frosty Pink. I'm gonna put them side by side and see if there actually is a difference. It doesn't want to focus on this one very much. Okay, so there is a difference, but it is not that big. Sparkling Pink is a little bit more of a hot pink, but barely a difference. Let's see if I can... Is there a difference in the sun, though, is the big question. In the sun. So this is called Laser Pink. These all look the same. They kind of look different online, but let's see. It's really hard to keep these focused for you guys. Get that in the sun. Focus. Oh yeah. This one kind of seems like when it's in the sun, it has a little bit more of like a neon to it. Our fourth option, it's a solid tone. All these are metallic, if you were looking at the labels. So this just kind of looks like that. Let's see if I can... Yeah, I like this. I wish they had... Here's, if you're looking at the differences. Let's actually, I'm gonna line all of these up. Okay, so I'm trying to stay out of the shadow. This is all of them next to each other. These literally do not look different to me. Except when they're in the light. But this is a more of a hot pink. And keep in mind that my build is more of a breast cancer build. Breast cancer ribbon can be hot pink. A lot of the times it's light pink. Just kind of depends on what picture you're looking at, but pink is pink, right? Yeah, I think I prefer metallic over solid. But I have one more. I already know that this one's gonna be your guys' favorite, and I'm waiting. I want to give you guys the option to like help me pick out, because it's, you know, I don't want to pick an ugly color and everybody hate it, even though the truck is for me and breast cancer survivors or people with breast cancer. But you know, it's nice to have some opinions and some insight, as long as you guys keep it nice. This is Illusion Pink. This is what Gabe wants me to do. He was like, you're gonna get all of those samples and just want Illusion. And I think this is really nice. It's not necessarily, what's it say? Color varies with thickness. Good to know, good to know. Clear vision. Oh, come on, focus, buddy. It's very pretty. I thought it was gonna be more sparkly. Far away, it reflects very nicely. What's it look like in the... Let's put it next to everybody. Okay. Wow. I can't believe I ordered all three of these just for them to kind of look the same. But for the longest time, I had never even really looked at other pinks, and I was like, I want frosty pink. That's what I want on my truck. And I'm looking at it, and it's a really nice color. But I think it matches the, flip that around. I think it really matches the breast cancer ribbon really nicely. I'm trying to get in a bunch of angles. So frosty pink is nice. I really like this one. This isn't doing it for me. This is very nice. I like this a lot. So it is between Illusion Pink and Frosty Pink. You guys can leave in what you think I should do. My table's dirty, so now my samples are dirty. But it is between these two. I'm gonna go get Savannah and Gabe and see what they think. So here's Savannah.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah, it's between these two.
Oh,
I
good.
think. Yeah. This is the one that Gabe was like, you have to do this one. All these kind of look the same. Not the passion pink.
Well, honestly, this would look really good with your truck color already.
But I'm wrapping it. Do you like this one more?
Well, personally, I like lighter colors.
Okay.
So I would go for that one, but...
Where's the camera at?
In my room.
Okay, we need that.
Put your glasses on so you can see for realsies. Gabe's colorblind.
Very.
You can watch my colorblind.
I literally just spilled Orbeez inside and I couldn't see them.
I was like, Dave, there's literally like 20 right there. And he was like, where?
You're fucking with me. There's no Orbeez here.
So we've narrowed it down to these two.
Oh, wow! They were all, it goes from, well, now it's all green, but it goes from, these are all the same, that one's the same as these, and then this one's really dark.
Yeah,
so
these are very
those are
similar,
all,
but it's done.
This one.
Savannah likes this one.
Yeah, you're dumb.
I like that one.
No, this one looks
I should find a way to put a vote in my YouTube video. I've seen people do that.
No, that looks way better.
Put it in the sun so you can see.
Do it on Instagram, Kaylee, like a poll.
Oh,
Put it
yeah.
on Twitter.
Well, they're going to be watching the video.
Yeah, that looks way nicer than this. Not gonna lie. We're having technical difficulties. Well, okay. This one looks more pink, but this one looks cooler.
This is more like shiny too.
Yeah.
Like this looks more matte.
It's more of like a chrome pink.
Yeah. Shiny will look
Well,
nice.
not
would do
matte.
this.
It has sparkle in it.
I do this. Illusion pink. Do it.
Yeah, do that.
Illusion.
Yep. All right. Well.
All right.
Are
Well,
you posting
I'm
this
gonna put a
video?
vote. I don't know.
What is your gut telling you?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think you want the lighter one. I could just tell from.
Well, this is the color. I told them this is the color that I wanted in the first place. But I was like, I'm just gonna order samples and figure it out.
My new truck is here.
Your new truck is here?
Yep.
Oh! I'm gonna film a video about that too. I know. Okay, so I want to show you guys, there's no sun, but here's it with my truck color. I wish there was sun.
The dark for sure.
You think the dark? It's just not sparkly. And then, I don't know, here's a different background, a dark background.
How far away is it?
Also, my truck's dirty. That looks really similar to what I have. So I kind of already have an idea of what you guys are gonna say. Here's that. Again, no sun, so you can't see the difference all that much. Okay, so in making this video, I kind of know what I want to do, but I do want you guys to give me your opinions. Illusion pink or frosty pink? Let me know, comment it down below. Vote. If I figure out how to do the vote thing, it's gonna be in a corner somewhere. Follow me on Instagram, I might do a poll there. Yeah, see you guys later. Weep weep.